Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the MacBook Pro 2023. Now this is a 14-inch model, but it also comes with a 16-inch. So depending on which configuration you get, you will have a different CPU and GPU graphic. So here at the back here, we can peel it open. So there is a tab here and one down here as well. So I'm just gonna lift it up, so we can just pull it out open, and one down here as well, so we can just peel along there. And here on this box, the one I'm getting is 18GB unified memory with 512GB of storage. You can also get one with up to 1TB storage. And this one here comes with an M3 Pro chip. So let's explore what you get inside this box. So here I'm just going to open it up. And at the top here is a tab we can pull up like that. And that come out with the MacBook Pro, quite thin. So it's come with this grab here, so we can turn around and open up. So if we turn around at the bottom, where we open up, there is a MacBook Pro, and right at the bottom here, it should say designed by Apple. The writing is really small, but it also gives you the model number as well as the serial number of your MacBook. Okay, so at the bottom here, it has a pad. So a nice, kind of like soft, but not very soft, kind of hard as well. That's just the pad protecting your back of the MacBook Pro when you place them on a desk or a table. And it has some screws here as well, pentalobe screws type. Now let's turn it to the front, and it's quite sleek, quite slim here. Have a small gap right here for you to put your thumb in or your finger in to lift up the lid. On the side here are some ports. So got the HDMI port, and has a USB-C port here on this side here. And on the other side has some extra additional port as well as the charging port right here in the 3.5 millimeter headphone plug. Now the height of this is around 3.5 millimeter bezels, has a 3.5 millimeter bezel. So let's open up and have a look. So when we open it up, the computer will start immediately, and on the screen here it has a paper protector, so we can peel it out. Here it is. We can peel it out. You can see it's a hello right there. Okay, so I'm just gonna peel it out for the first time. So just a very soft piece of paper. Also come with
Australian English is the main language. Press the return key.
Also at the top corner here, it has Touch ID, so you can verify to log in using your thumb or fingerprint. So here we're going to go ahead and we can set up the device. Now at the top here, there is a small notch for the camera. Now this is just a standard HD webcam camera. And depending on your configurations, you can get your MacBook Pro with an M3 chip, or M3 Pro, or M3 Max. If you are getting an M3 chip, it will have an 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU. For the 3M Pro, you get 12-core CPU and 18-core GPU. If you're getting the top end of the spec, that is the M3 Max. It comes with 16-core CPU and 40-core GPU. For the display itself, it is a liquid Retina XDR display, which is like a brighter mini LED display. Now with this laptop or the MacBook, you get standard features such as HDMI 2.1, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3. On the display, it has an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 24 Hz to 120 Hz. At the bottom here, just below the keyboard, it has a very large touchpad. So you can see it has quite a large touchpad. The press is very soft. You can just press it gently and that will respond, the mouse will respond to your click. And there is a small bevel here at an angle. The laptop here is quite gentle to open and close the lid, but yet it is very steady. It is light as well, light and handy to carry around. If you need to put in a school bag, if your kids go to school and need a MacBook, it's quite handy to put in the bag. The size is right and the display goes all the way to the edge here. If you can see, there is only a small gap on the LCD here. It's a very small gap, so it's go all the way to the edge. The screen go all the way to the edge here. Okay, so what other things are you expecting to get inside this box? So there is a small box here. Got the MacBook Pro with some Apple logos. So it's more user instruction. Then inside this box here, so this is just the padding, so nothing else in here. Alright, so you get one large MagSafe charger. It also comes with this wrapping right here, so you can open it. We can peel it off. Alright, so this MagSafe charger has an Apple logo at the center, and it is a 70-watt USB-C power adapter. And it also comes with a charging cable, so we can open it. So here it is. Just come with a charging cable, USB-C. Okay, so that is pretty much it. That's all you're getting. That is everything inside the box there for your MacBook Pro 2023. And for the price, depending on which region that you're in, you can get them from ranging from 2,400 to say 3,500 AUD. So again, depending on which region you are in, the price will vary. Thank you for watching this video.